Adaptive optics are becoming valuable tools for high-resolution microscopy, providing correction for aberrations introduced by refractive index change in the structure of specimens. For many years, optical microscopes have played a crucial role in biomedical research. They provide vital structural and functional information about the specimen without impacting on the specimen itself. But here's the challenge ahead. Even with perfect optical components, the performance of the microscope is affected by the optical properties of the specimen being studied. A problem that gets even worse when imaging deep into tissue. And now, a new startup in Germany has taken a novel approach to providing sharper images, increased contrast, and perfect focal spots. Phaseform has developed an optofluidic microsystem that enables a new class of wavefront modulators with the deformable faceplates. They are ultra-thin, addressing shortcomings of contemporary AO systems that still depend on deformable mirrors. Phaseform replaces the mirrors with an easily replaceable deformable faceplates, and all without beam folding. So how does it work? The conductive transparent membrane of the deformable faceplates is deformed by an array of electrostatic actuators into any shape, changing the phase of the light passing through. Their deformable faceplates have a broad range of applications, including life science, vision science, and ophthalmology, as well as semiconductors and 3D nanoprinting. Even amateur astronomy. Now that we know what they do, let's welcome Phaseform as our latest OPTICA member. Be ready with your offer to establish what they can do for you and what you can do for them. Together we can take adaptive optics to a new level.